In my soul, I bump music of the revolution, but some interruptions got me turning it down. It's a civil war, the innermost parts of my being to gain ground. Conflict all around, classic confrontation, battle of the skull of more ways than one. My flesh weighs a ton, gotta feed the spirit before it gets overrun by the fighter of the right between the two shun. The vain babble, idle chatter and such. Gotta guard my exposure from sin stimulus. Barricade against the barrage, inundated with images of lust, and I always distrust my own strength. Man's never had enough muscle for the spiritual struggle. See, we wrestle not against physicality, but wicked principalities, and that's the reality of this civil war.
It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, inside it.
I let the pen do what it will, I just let it flow. Releasing years of pain from within, I let it go. No inhibitions, just admission to the theme park of the mind. Come along for the ride and hear the scene sparked by a phrase, brighter days ahead. Dark heart transformed, trying to blaze ahead. The trails are uncharted, discarded deeds that remove me from the straight and narrow path I'm supposed to be on. Trying to do right when all I see is wrong, all up in my face. And it's a classic case of the continual war within a mortal men. I do battle on Babylonian soil, I'm born to win. See, my spirit's enlisted, but my flesh wishes it didn't. Therein lies the struggle to stay consistent, man, listen.
It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, inside it. Inside it, it's a war, it's a war.
There's a war on the landscape of man for the upper hand, and it isn't physical, believe the fight is critical. And I've reached the mass when I'm picking up pieces of my sobriety, of what's left of it. Perhaps a relapse, or after I'm confessing it, so I won't carry the shame that comes with dishonor in the name of the Most High. Clarity close by, no haze to obscure my vision. You either choose to lose or make winning decisions. I'm not sure, but I'm sure that I won't stop living to get there. I spit this flare so you know where I'm coming from. We all have struggles of our own, but know that you're not alone. No longer running from the battle, I'm charging in. I man up when I fall, I get up and start again. In the civil war, you got to man up when you fall, get up and start again.
It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, it's a war going on inside it. It's a war, it's a war, inside it. Fights a lyrical war inside of himself. It's a war.